Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. This is part two of the tiger strap rod wrap that we started a while back. We used two green threads, two yellow threads. We wrapped it completely down the rod, and then you see the arrows here on the tape. That's the way we dragged the threads. Um, each way, one to the right and then to the left, and then back to the right and then back to the left. Then we epoxied it. We let it dry for a few days. And now we're doing part two. We're going to do the exact same thing. We're going to wrap it the exact same way we wrapped it, except for you see the arrows. That's why I drew those arrows there to know which way I dragged it the first time. We're going to drag it the opposite way. And then we're going to pick which color we're going to pull off. We're going to pull two of these threads off. I don't know if we're going to do the yellow yet or the green. And then the tiger stripe will show up, and then we will epoxy it again, and it makes a nice pattern. It really looks cool. If you use dark brown and light brown, it'll make a wood grain look too. If you're trying to make like a wood grain, I should do that in one of the videos. It really is nice. But we'll speed up some of this. You don't need to see 10 minutes of 20 minutes of trying to keep these threads straight. But in the first video, I went to throw this in the dryer. The dryer motor was burned up, so we stopped and we shot a video on how to replace the dryer motor on my rod wrapper here. So now we'll get to it, and we'll get this epoxy and we'll start building this for somebody. Okay, so now we got it wrapped. We're gonna pull these through. Remember the last time we broke this darn string. But I'm not gonna cut these off because I'm gonna try to take out just a few of these threads instead of taking out all of them. We're just going to get this through here. Takes a little finagling, but we're going to drag these the way we want them first, and then we're going to pull two of these colors. Okay, you can see I decided to pull the yellow thread. I'm happy with the outcome. I could have pulled two yellow and one green, and it makes a different. Everything you do makes a different looking pattern. But I'm pretty happy with this pattern. It's like nice swirls right here. I'm really I really like this. It's subtle. It's not like too bold. Now, if I would have pulled two yellow and one green, just left one green, it would have been more like a bold look to it. I like it to blend in. It looks really good. I'm happy with the way it came out. So now we'll just get some color preserver on it so these threads don't fade here, and let it dry overnight, and we'll get it epoxy, and then we're ready to put the handle on. Okay, so that's that. We got the color preserver on. Keep this nice bright color. Even if they say the thread is, color fast thread that has the thread preserver built in, I always use color preserver because I've ruined too many rods. It only costs barely a few cents to do it per wrap. You might as well do it because then if it if it bleeds, you're pretty much bumming, and you already epoxied it. So take my a little bit of advice right there. Always use your color preserver, and we'll let this dry. We'll put some epoxy on it, and I'll do some more videos with this rod as we build it. Thanks for watching, everybody, and we'll get some more rod weaving videos coming out too. See you on the next one, everybody.